Hey, John here, Johnny Investor Howard. Hope you're doing great, having a great week. Just doing a quick video here today because obviously I'm doing lots of videos on investing and stocks, and I wanted to show you my performance. I'm not really getting into I've got a couple of different brokerage accounts, but I'm not really getting into the dollar amount or whatever. I really kind of everything my focus on is really percentage. Percentages is really everything that I look at and I focus on, really all the time, right? So I wanted to go in and show you all some performance that I have, going back to really, I'm also, real estate investor. So I had a sale in summer 2017. So I had investments before then, but because of return of capital, I was able to, I started investing a lot more at that time, right? I've been investing for, a really long time, but the majority of the returns are viewable going back to, let's say, midsummer 2017. And I want to show you how I did, when compared to, the S&P 500. I'm not a day trader in any way, shape, or form. I would say it's pretty rare if I make trades on a weekly basis. I'm certainly making, reviewing all of my percentage exposures on almost a daily basis, and making multiple trades on a monthly basis. Sometimes making trades on a weekly basis, but definitely, not doing any sort of active trading on a daily basis or anything like that. But basically, so here we go. Let's go ahead and hop in. I'm going to minimize this just a little bit. And so what this is this is just one of my accounts. It's a corporate account. And if you can take a look and see right here, and obviously the market's done really well. I do kind of have I'm quite diversified. I mean, right now I have really, in my opinion, I got too much exposure to Apple and Amazon. Amazon's come up, quite a bit in my accounts, and it's just kind of hard to sell a stock when one share is over $3,000. But I'm looking at really shedding some of those positions on Apple and Amazon to make way for some of the growth stocks that have done well and I believe in, right? But basically, take a look here. August, this is really August. Let me move my thing up a little bit. This is really August 31st, okay? And, August was a crazy time in the market, but I'm at about, my performance here is about 311.08%. compared to the S&P 500 total return, which is what this little orange bar thing is. It's called here. This is a Merrill Lynch account. It's on Merrill Edge self-directed account, and it's called S&P 500 TR, which stands for total return. And then they're at 96.71, and then my particular performance is a 311.08% return. So these strategies that I have really done well. Another thing is I'm also a single dad, and I've just with being in business transitions over the last couple of years, I've really had to just really apply my philosophies and my knowledge to really make money work, right? Because I had some business transitions, and they've really proved to do really well. And some of those, the majority of those philosophies came from, really my experience in my own business. My own online marketing company. I had probably at most 15 people working for me at one time, which, was pretty stressful for me. So I definitely don't want to go back to that. I'd much rather stay with less people, just me if I could. But, in general, what it is I'm really focusing on really just finding this high growth. Like I found, if you actually were reverse engineer the price I paid for Netflix, it's about $8 a share back in 2011 and 2012. And that's accounting for all the splits. But really finding, if I could find them, 10 billion market cap or lower, that'd be great. And then just really focus on that, understand what their market cap is, understand what their gross profits are, make sure the margin is good, the gross profit margin is good, make sure the year-over-year revenue growth is good. And, just when I feel really strongly, which is really just going in at 1.5%, then 2%, then 5%. And then, if I feel really strongly, I'll go over 10%, but, very rarely will I go over 10% exposure in terms of my first buy-in, right? I'm usually buying in at different increments. So hopefully that helps you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, make money from your social media profiles, generate leads or profits. Profile Profit Machine, myprofileprofitmachine.com, partner with me and the world record holder for the fastest website funnel. to hit $1 million, which is 28 days. Okay.